How do you make money in a bear market? When we're in a bear market, a lot of investors pull their money out of the market and wait for better times. But what if I told you that there is a way to make money in a bear market and it can be extremely profitable? I'm talking about dollar cost averaging. But first, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in crypto. Dollar cost averaging in the crypto market is when you decide to put a certain amount of money towards a cryptocurrency at a certain frequency. For example, let's say you decide that every Monday you're going to start dollar cost averaging $20 into Bitcoin once a week for a long period of time. So every Monday you're consistently investing $20 into Bitcoin, no matter what the price is. By doing this, you decrease your exposure to price volatility. This is very effective during a bear market, as you will continue to buy Bitcoin at a lower overall price. And when the bull market comes, you can start taking some profit or keep on dollar cost averaging. Now, this is just an example. You can choose the amount of money you want to invest and at what frequency that fits you, whether this is daily, weekly, or monthly. There is a way to automate this process so that you can set it up, forget about it, and focus your energy elsewhere. One of the platforms that let you do this is Crypto.com, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't have an account, you can use the link down in the description and you will get a sign-up bonus of $25. Alright, first you have to open up your Crypto.com app. On the homepage, click on Buy. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, then click on the One-Time Buy drop-down button and choose Recurring Buy. You will then be taken to a screen with detailed information about Crypto.com's Recurring Buy function. Read through it and then click on Setup Recurring Buy. Choose the amount you want to buy for, click on Frequency and select one of the options: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Click on Repeat On and choose the day you want to buy on. And then click on Pay With and choose your payment method. Click Confirm Schedule and make sure the information is correct. Then click Confirm. Congratulations, you have now set up automatic dollar cost averaging with Crypto.com. Now, there is a lot of dollar cost averaging strategies out there. And if you are dollar cost averaging, I would love to hear about your strategy. So leave a comment down below and tell me about your strategy. If you want to know about my 3 favorite crypto passive income strategies, then watch this video here. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.